Hi, lovely ladies. By now, you're probably wondering, what do I get if I sign up to become a distributor? Well, let me tell you, you get so much. It's only $65 to sign up to become a distributor, and you're going to get that back and lip color and product alone. Not only to mention that, if you purchase an order, any order over 1 PV, which is just one, you're going to get a free facial mist and a free body lotion from the company. So these are just perks for July to start your business and to start it off on the right foot. Or if you're just signing up for the discount, sign up for the discount in a way that gets you some free colors. Are you guys ready to see what's in this? Now the kit comes in 2 options. It comes in bold and it comes in neutral. I have the bold kit for you here today because I love bold. So when you open up the box, you will see your kit inside. And this comes when you sign up, they just ship it straight away. All right, so inside what you get, so we have 2 flyers, one for Serum C and the other for the retinol, which I'm in love with. And then we have this business portfolio. Now, SeneGence color is deep blue, so of course the portfolio is deep blue. It's got the SeneGence logo on it right here. And then you open it up and it's got places for you to store your receipts in here and your lip colors and pens and all your business necessities right in here, including the colors that you get inside the box. So you guys ready to see those colors? It comes with instructions for getting started. Let's just read a little bit of the first line and see what it says. Open this kit, enjoy the included lip scents, oops remover, and gloss products, as well as samples and applicators you can use to demo the product. All right, let's see what's in here. So the next thing you have is like this brown insert that takes up the rest of the box. So inside here, we have like a business pack. So let's see what's in our business pack. Oh wow, there's a lot in here. All right, so let's take a look at the colors. Ooh. So up here we have caramel apple, Bella, and sheerberry, you guys. And a oops remover and a gloss. Now these are the 2-ounce size. If you have been with lip scents for a while and love the product like we love the product, then you know that you can layer 2 of these together or 3 of these together. You're looking at over 27 different color combinations with just these 3 beauties alone. So think about that, guys. $65 to sign up and you're already getting this product included on top of everything else and the free $85 in product if you buy something else. So you guys, you know something? You know how we have a 100% money back guarantee? So does our company. If you sign up and you hate it, you can request your sign up fee back. I'm not sure if they'll make you send the stuff back, but that just goes to show how the company stands behind their products. The next thing you have is a bag of tester wands. So let's say these are yours, you're putting them on to show people, and your friend wants to try. You give her one of these wands, and that way there's no cross-contamination. So these are for others to try on the products. It comes with glossy gloss samples that you can hand out. Ooh, this is nice. It comes with skincare in both a normal to oily and a normal to dry. Comes with a sample strip of the Climate Control. It's one of my hands down favorite products. Brochures to hand out about the business. Customer receipts. This book that I have read cover to cover, $1 Million Lips by our founder, Joni. This is an amazing book, you guys. So inspirational. Then we have the quarterly acclaimed magazine. This is a magazine that SeneGence puts out that's just full of so much goodness, guys. And you can only get this if you're a distributor. Ooh, and then probably the best part, it comes with 5 brand new beauty books, you guys. Oh, and an example of what a great business card looks like. You guys, this new beauty book, I have not got my hands on this one yet. I am super excited to see what's in there. Look, the new retinol's in there and all this good product information, you guys. So that is everything that you get with the new distributor kit. It's absolutely amazing that now SeneGence has realized that we need these amazing products when we start. So they are bringing them to you. Remember that if you do not enjoy the bold lip colors, it comes in a nice, soft, neutral light version as well. We're going to be posting more information on those kits. And please, if you have any questions, drop them down below.